Today I'm gonna make my famous Ayman blueberry donuts. Let's go over the ingredients. We have flour, we have white sugar, we have baking powder, we have cinnamon, buttermilk, 1 egg, that I'm gonna crack 4 tablespoons of butter that I'm gonna melt. And that's it. Let's go! First we preheat the oven at 375. First I'm gonna show you the pan. Now let's grease it.
Okay, good. All right, good. Stop.
I forgot these two.
Might as well. Okay. Good.
That was a big explosion. Now we need a large mixing bowl. Where is it? Did it disappear? We'll start with our dry ingredients. First the flour. I pour it. Next the sugar. Next is baking and cinnamon. Next we mix up all the dry ingredients. Now what ingredients? First the egg. Do that drop. Now the butter. It's gonna be hot enough. I was about to wipe it on my clothes, but don't wipe it on your clothes. It'll make them have a stain or it'll make them get dirty. Now the buttermilk. Don't overmix it. Now should I put this in there? Okay. I see what you do. This is Bongo. If somebody makes a mess, the person makes the happy.
That's right. You missed the spot. Good job.
Now you mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. If I do this, it's easier for me to mix it fast. A little bit. Now it's added. Blueberry. Chop. We transfer the batter to the bag. Okay. Here we go. Open. We have a spoon. These ones will be good. Uh-oh. These bags are unbreakable. Now I can use a pen. Now we put them in the oven. Now we put them in. What? We bake them for 15 to 17 minutes. I guess now, Daddy.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Looks like blood coming out of it. While the donuts cook, let's make a glaze. First, let's add butter to the powdered sugar. Second, let's add lemon juice. Then let's mix it. They look like they're ready. Shall we take them out? It's perfect. Alexa, stop.
Pretty good, huh?
Yes,
What do you think?
we did a good job. Now let's put frosting. It's falling fast. Now, taste test.
Good.
Now grab one of glaze and one fountain. Without the glaze.
Well,
Without tasting Gotta tastes like chocolate applesauce. Yummy. With the glaze, I'm gonna eat a donut. With the glaze, I'm gonna eat my No, what's the glaze? No,
without the glaze. All right, so blueberry donuts. What do you say? Good?
good this side, so bad good.
All right. Until next time.
Until next time, catch you soon.